Hello students, this is Akshata, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know, for CTET 2024 Paper 1 preparation, we have come up with a complete series in which we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET Paper 1 and Paper 2. So in this particular lecture from NCERT Mathematics, the topic that I have brought for you guys is geometry. So I'll be providing you 2 to 3 parts based upon geometry. This is the part number 1. Each and every topic will be discussed from the basics to the advanced level, along with the detailed solutions for each questions will be provided to you, and important tips and tricks will be discussed. At the same time, if you want to join the CTET Paper 1 and Paper 2 complete course, then you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number or download the Global Online application. In this particular course, you will be provided with the full syllabus video lectures, full syllabus notes which are easily downloaded through your mobile phone, 50 plus mock test and full syllabus MCQs. Now, the question in the full syllabus MCQ and the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination. Hence, this is an important feature. The course fees for Paper 1 plus Paper 2 is 3000 rupees. If you want the individual paper course, then you can get it in just 1500 rupees. Again, contact us on this WhatsApp number. You can get enrolled to the course. So in geometry, first of all, that the things we are going to cover is the part of mensuration. Simply you can say that this is the topic mensuration that today we are going to discuss. Here the shape that we are going to discuss today is rectangle. Okay, and questions based on it. Also we'll be discussing about square. Few questions on squares are also available, but mostly we will be focusing on rectangle. Okay, so what is rectangle, students? It is a four-sided polygon. Okay, it is a four-sided polygon in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other, and are equal. For example, side AB is parallel to side CD, and the length of side AB is equal to that of the CD. So side AB is equal to side CD. Okay. Nextly, the side AC is equal to side AB. Side AC is equal to side BD. Okay. Also, there are four angles which are the right angles, that is 90-degree forming angles. Okay, so what is rectangle? It is a four-sided polygon. It is a four-sided polygon in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other and are equal, and the angles all the four angles of the rectangle are right angle or forming 90-degree. Now, three formulas for the rectangle are important. The very first formula is the area of rectangle. Question based upon this directly can be asked in the paper 1. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length into width. Length into breadth या फिर length into width. Second formula is perimeter of rectangle. Now what is perimeter, students? Perimeter is nothing but the boundaries of any given shape. Okay, so what will be the perimeter of rectangle? So perimeter of the rectangle will be, this length is twice, breadth is twice. Look here. Okay, if suppose this is side A, this will be also side A. If this is side B, this will be also side B. If I want to calculate the complete perimeter of this given rectangle, then what I will do, students? I will just simply add all the sides together, that is A plus B plus A plus B. It means 2 times of A plus 2 times of B. We can simply write it as 2 into A plus B. This is the formula for the perimeter, that is 2 into A plus B. It means 2 into length plus breadth या फिर width. Whichever you want to, you can take it. Clear? Okay, so area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. Now, if you want to find the diagonal of the rectangle, now what is diagonal? Diagonal is basically a single, imagine a single stick. Okay, single stick that I have inserted in between point C and in between point B in such a cross way. Okay, so this particular stick is supposed to be the diagonal. Okay, this is diagonal. Okay, now to find the diagonal of any given rectangle, the formula is under root of L square plus B square. Under root of L square plus B square. Now that's all about the rectangle. This is everything about the rectangle, students. Let's solve the questions based on this. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड बेस्ड अपॉन द फॉर्मूला, ट्रस्ट मी, इसके बाहर का कुछ नहीं आएगा. जैसे कि व्हाट इज गिवन, फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विद अ लेंथ इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड विड्थ इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द लेंथ गिवन हियर स्टूडेंट्स, 10 सेंटीमीटर, एंड व्हाट इज द ब्रेथ गिवन हियर, 5 सेंटीमीटर. वी नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to how much? It is equal to 2 into length plus width, या फिर breadth बोल दो. Okay, 2 into what is length, 10 plus 5. Okay, so the total will be equal to 2 into 15. This will give me 30. So 30 centimeter is the answer for given question. I hope you have understood this. Okay, moving ahead to question number 2. Find the perimeter and the area of rectangle of length 17 centimeter and breadth 13 centimeter. Now this question, this is clear cut again based upon the same formula that we have discussed before. This is the question that I am giving to you as a homework. Comment down the answer in the comment section. Whatever will be the answer, just pin down the answer in the comment section. Okay, moving ahead with question number 3 now. If the perimeter of rectangle is 48 centimeter and its breadth is given now, what is it? 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of rectangle. What is mentioned? Perimeter. Perimeter is how much? Perimeter is equal to 48 centimeter. Okay, and what is given? Breadth is given. Breadth, it means width only. Okay, so what is the width, guys? 6 centimeter. Okay, now we don't know the length, but we know the formula for the area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. But we don't know the length. First of all, we have to find the length. To find the length, we can use the formula for perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to twice of length plus breadth. I know the value for perimeter is equal to 48 centimeter is equal to 2 into length is how much? We don't know, so keep it as it is, plus breadth, it means width is 6 centimeter. Okay, this will give me the value is equal to, if I just simply take this 2 on the other side, I'll get 48 divided by 2. Okay, 48 divided by 2 matlab 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. This will give me length plus 6, so the value of length is equal to 24 minus 6. This is equal to 18 centimeter. Now using the formula for the perimeter, I can find the value of length. Yes. Now the requirement of question is to find the area of rectangle. I know the formula for the area of rectangle. What is it? Length into breadth. Now I got the value for length. What is the value for length? 18 into what is the value for width? 6 centimeter. So 18 6 will give me 108 centimeter square. Always remember the value for the perimeter is in centimeter या फिर meter, and that of the area of rectangle is in centimeter square. Okay, it is in centimeter square. Just focus on the units as well. So the area of rectangle is equal to 108 centimeter square. Moving ahead with next question. The length of rectangle is 6 centimeter and its width is mentioned 4 centimeter. If the length is increased by 2 centimeter, what would be the width of new rectangle that has same area as that of the first one? Look here. What is mentioned? The length of rectangle is 6 centimeter. Length is equal to 6 centimeter. Width 4 centimeter. Now what they are talking is, if the length is increased by 2 centimeter, it has been increased by 2 centimeter, then what will be the new length? It means it will be 6 plus 2. Okay, increased by 2, it means students the new length will be 8 centimeter. This is your new length. Okay, Later on, what is mentioned? Look here now. We got the new length. What would be the width of the new rectangle that has the same area as that of the first one? Now, the area of the first rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter is same as that of the rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter. We have to find the width. Okay, so what I will do is, first of all, I'll find out the area of the first rectangle. Area of first rectangle with length 6 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. What is the area? Length into breadth. So this will give me 6 into 4. 6 fours are 24 centimeter square. Now what is this? This is the area of the first rectangle. What is mentioned into the question, students? That the area of the new rectangle, that is the rectangle with length 8 centimeter, and that of the old rectangle is same. So area of new rectangle is same with that of the area of first rectangle. So let us find now area of new rectangle. This is equal to length into breadth. Again, now we know the area of new rectangle is equal to the area of first rectangle, and the area of first rectangle is equal to 24 centimeter square. So I'll simply write it down, copy it. Okay, 24 centimeter square is equal to, we know the area of new length of the new rectangle is 8, but we don't know the breadth and we have to find this. So breadth will be equal to 24 centimeter square divided by 8 centimeter. This will give me, now centimeter square upon centimeter, centimeter got cancelled, 8 3s are 24, so the breadth will be equal to 3 centimeter. So answer for this question is option number B. Okay, I hope you have got this. Moving ahead to the next question. If one envelope requires a 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter piece of paper, how many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter? Now look here. What is this 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter piece of paper? It is the dimension. The dimension of the piece of paper are given to you. Look here. What is the length of the sheet? Length is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and width of the sheet is equal to 75 centimeter. I'm talking about sheet, guys. 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter, it means the length is 100 centimeter and width is 75. So what will be the area of sheet? Area of sheet will be equal to length into breadth, that is 100 into 75. This will give me 7500 centimeter square. What is this? This is the area of sheet. Now let's talk about the envelope. What is the length of envelope given to you? I'll just change the color of pen to understand. Okay, now look here. Length of the envelope is how much? 20 centimeter. Breadth of the envelope is how much? 5 centimeter. We have to find the area. To find the area of envelope, okay, this is equal to length into breadth again, that is 20 into 5. This will give me 100 centimeter square. Now we got two different values. One is the area of the sheet and the another one is the area of envelope. Okay, so from out of sheet we have to make envelopes, correct? Out of sheet we have to make envelopes. So how can we understand that number of envelopes that can be made out of this sheet? Look here, number of envelopes, or the total number of envelope that we can make out of which sheet? Out of this sheet, the sheet of area 7500. So this will be area of sheet, that is 7500 divided by area of one envelope. So the total will be equal to, area of sheet is 7500, the total area divided by area of one envelope, it means 75 envelopes can be made out of this complete sheet of 7500 centimeter square area. Okay, moving ahead to next question, students. If there are any kind of doubt in any question, you can simply ask me. Width of a rectangle is mentioned 8 centimeter and its diagonal is mentioned this time. Find the area of the perimeter of rectangle they are talking about. Suppose this is a rectangle. Okay, in this rectangle, this is the diagonal. Okay, suppose this is rectangle ABCD. Okay, in this rectangle the diagonals measures are given to, that is 17 centimeter, and the width of the rectangle is mentioned. Now width, it means this side, this is 8 centimeter, width is same. Okay, and the length is also same. So look here now, what we have to find. First of all, we have to find the area and perimeter. We know the formula for area. What is the formula for area? Area is equal to length into breadth. What is the formula for perimeter? The formula for perimeter is 2 into length plus width. Okay, it means for finding both the answers, area as well as the perimeter, what do we need, guys? We need length, and we don't have length. But using the, or with the help of the diagonal, we can find out the value of length. Look here how. This is a triangle. Everyone, do you agree with this, that this is a triangle? Can this diagonal, with the help of this diagonal, can we form a triangle? Yes. And this triangle is of 90 degree. Okay, the angle made by side BC on side DC is how much? This is 90 degree. So can I call it a right angle triangle? Yes. So in right angle triangle, we can use a theorem named as Pythagoras theorem, and using that Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says that in your triangle, right angle triangle, the hypotenuse square is equal to, I'm just simply writing it in short form, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Now look here how I will use the Pythagoras theorem here. Now in this triangle, I'll just simply draw here BCD. The side CD is called the base, side BC is called your height or the altitude, you can say, and the side BD is your hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. So do we know this side BC? Yes, 8 centimeter. Do we know the side of hypotenuse, that is equal to 17? But do we know base, how much it is? No, we don't know. Can we find it out? Yes, we can. Now look here, I'll use this here. Hypotenuse square, it means 17 ka square is equal to, base is, we don't know, just keep it as it is, L square. Okay, plus height, we don't know the base, इसीलिए I have taken L over here. Why? Because the base is actually the length of the rectangle. Okay, now what is height? Height is 8 centimeters, so 8 square. So what is the square for 17? 289. So 289 is equal to L square plus 8 8s are 64. This will give me 289 minus 64 is equal to L square. Okay, I'll rub this out. So the value of L will be equal to how much? L is equal to, the value of L square will be equal to 289 minus 64, it means it is 225. Okay, taking square root on both the sides, this will give me the value of L is equal to 15. Why? Because 15 square is 225. So I got the value of length now. Now I can find the area, and now I can find the perimeter. What is the area? Length into breadth. Okay, what is length? 15 into breadth is how much? Breadth is equal to 8, and the perimeter is equal to 2 into 15 plus 8. Okay, this will give me the value of area and the perimeter. 15 8s are 120 centimeters square, and the perimeter, this is equal to 2 into 23. This will give me 46 centimeter. So perimeter is 46 centimeter and the area is 120 centimeters. So option number C is the correct answer. Student, what is important for us? The thing that we have learned today is the Pythagoras theorem. Please just go through the Pythagoras theorem once. This is going to help you a lot to solve the questions based upon the mensuration. Okay. Moving ahead to the next question, number 8. The area of rectangular fence is 500 square feet. If the width of the fence is 20 feet, then find the length. Now look at the question carefully. What is the area of the fence? The area of fence is equal to 500 square feet. Agree? And what is width mentioned here? Width is equal to 20 feet. Okay. Now, as per the formula for the area, fencing, it means just it is in the form of a rectangular fence. Okay. So it is a rectangular shape. So the area will be, the area of this fence will be the area of rectangle only, that is length into width. So this will give me length. We don't know. Area is 500 square feet into width is 20. So the length is equal to 500 divided by 20. That is square feet upon feet. Okay. This will give me 25 feet. I hope you have got this answer for the given question. Moving ahead to question number 9. How many bricks, each 26 centimeter long and 10 centimeter broad, will be required to lay a footpath of 260 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide? Now look here, for this particular question, the length I mentioned into the question of brick. Length of brick is how much? This is equal to 26 centimeter, and the breadth, this is equal to 10 centimeter. So what should be the area now? Students, area. Look, what area are we finding out? Area of brick. Now brick is in the rectangular shape, though area will be also length into breadth only. So this will give me total 26 into 10, that is equal to 260 centimeter square. This is the area of brick. This is the area for brick. Now for footpath, I'll just change the color of pen. For footpath, the length is equal to 260 and breadth is equal to 15 meter. Both are in meter. Okay. Area will be what then? Again, footpath is in the rectangular shape. So this will be equal to length into breadth. So this will give me 260 into 15. Okay. But I'll just convert both of these meters into centimeter. You should know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. There are 2 meters over here. So I'll do 100 into 100. It means this will get converted into centimeter square. Okay. Iska centimeter and iska centimeter. Hence centimeter square. Okay. So what will be the required area, students? 260 into 15 into 100 into 100. But now just don't calculate this. Just keep it as it is only. We got the area. Okay. Suppose we got the area. Now what we have to find? We have to find how many number of slabs are required. Okay. How can we find this out? Number of slabs required. How can we find this out? Just imagine the area of footpath divided by, just like the question of envelope and the sheet. Okay. Area of the footpath, that is the larger area, divided by the area of slab, similarly that of the envelope. Okay. Area of slab. So this will give me total, this is equal to 260 into 15 into 10 tens are 100 into 100. It means this will give me 1 2 3 4 zeros. Correct. Centimeter square divided by what is the area of slab? Area of slab is equal to 260 centimeters. So divided by 260 got cancelled. So total value will be equal to 15 into 10,000. It means the total value is 1 Correct? Just a minute. Okay, so 1,50,000 is the correct answer for the given question. I hope you have got this question. Now moving ahead to the next question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeters and its length is given 10 centimeter. We have to find the diagonal. I have mentioned the three formulas, if you remember. Three formulas, okay? Perimeter is given 30 centimeter. Length is mentioned how much? 10 centimeter. So what I will do, first of all, I'll find out the width, okay, that is breadth of my rectangle. So perimeter is equal to what? 2 into length plus breadth. We know the value of perimeter, we know the value of length, we have to find the value of breadth. Okay, keep it as it is. So this will give me 15 is equal to 10 plus breadth. So value of breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay, I got the value of breadth. Now I can find the diagonal of rectangle. To find the diagonal of rectangle, what was the formula? Under root of L square plus B square. Okay, so under root of, what is the value of L? 10 square plus breadth value 5 square. So what is the value of 10 square? The value of 10 square is 100 plus 5 square 25. So under root of 125, it means answer is 5 under root of 5 centimeter. If you don't know how this answer has come, look here. Can I write this under root of 125 as 5 into 5 into 5? Yes. Can I write this under root of 125 as 5 into 5 into 5? Okay. So when there are two common same values, two values, that is 5 into 5. So simply you can take one out of it. And under root of 5 will remain as it is. So 5 under root of 5 is the answer for the given question. Okay, so this was end of the session, students, where we have started discussing the CTET paper 1 complete syllabus. This level's question are only asked in the examination. You don't have to do anything out of this. Okay, just simply solve the PYQs and practice lots of questions. Thank you for watching the session. If you have liked it, please do hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe it.